Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the second ramp that's being built by Freetown on Highway 2000 Jamaica. Now, we had put up a video before showing you the other ramp. This one is the one in front of the Hypro feed plant. The other ramp is to the right of where we are, on the other side of the highway. So what's happening is Highway 2000 is spending $700 million to put in more access points to the highway. When it was originally built, you had a exit. When you got on from Mandela, you had an exit for Spanish Town, which is the largest town which is the capital of St. Catherine. Then you had another exit at Old Harbour. And because of that exit, Old Harbour has become the fastest growing town in Jamaica. It's a diamond interchange, meaning you can get on and off and head in any direction. Then after Old Harbour, the next exit was Freetown, but the Freetown exit was limited because when heading from Kingston to Mandeville, you could only exit by the Hypro factory. You could not get on the highway from Freetown and head towards Mandeville. You could only get off the highway when heading from Kingston to Mandeville. It only had two exits. One was an exit when heading from Kingston to Mandeville, and the other one was an entrance heading from Mandeville to Kingston. You could only get on the highway in that direction from Freetown and head towards Old Harbour. So now they're putting in two more access ramps to make it more accessible, and it will now become a diamond interchange, meaning you can get on and off the highway and head in any direction. So they're building a second interchange up by Innswood, by Heartlands. So what has happened is a lot of expansion has taken place between Old Harbour and Maypen. A lot of housing developments. So you have a lot more people wanting access to the highway. And this is something we've said from we started the channel, that they need to put more entrances and exits for this highway. They did the same thing when they built the highway. They expanded the highway from Maypen to Mandeville. You have one exit and entrance, although it's at toll gate where the toll plaza is. One. But we'll talk about that in another video. So that's what's happening here. They're putting in a second ramp, so you can now get on and off this highway and head in any direction. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated, and check out the video on the other access ramp for Freetown. Alright guys, have a good day.